I'm Ori and today I'm going to make the most luxurious, you'll love it, hot chocolate. It's going to be French style, nice and thick and chocolatey and just so like smooth and creamy. So here are the ingredients for you to make the hot chocolate. You got some chocolate here, 115 grams, 70%. So 4 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. We got organic here. And whipping cream for the whipped cream and cocoa powder. So I've got 115 grams of chocolate here. The first step is to cut your chocolate, but this is very sharp, so I recommend you get an adult to chop it for you. So I'm gonna come back here with my dad and he's gonna chop the chocolate for me. So we got our chocolate here, and the best part about a chef, you get to taste the chocolate and all of your ingredients. Delicious. Now you want to put your milk in your pan. This is very, very, very full to the top. I don't know why I filled this up this much. There you go. We put it in our pan and let's just let that steam for. Okay, so now the milk is steaming around the edges. So we're gonna put in all of our ingredients. The chocolate. So I'm just gonna put that in there. Beautiful. And we wanna get all of our other ingredients. So there is 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So there's 1/2. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Now, I'm only going to put a little bit in because I don't want it to be too sweet. We've already added quite a lot of chocolate. So I'm just going to do a little. Done. That's it. And then we just leave that to cook and just mix it so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom, and I'll see you when it's like starting to cook more. Alright, that is looking nice and chocolatey. It's all melted down. Let's just whisk it a little bit more. And here's always a trick for your hot chocolate. Always taste like the littlest bit, That is good. It could warm up a little bit more, so I'm just gonna leave it in for like 1 minute. Just finished cooking it. It's looking amazing. Looks very chocolatey. Coats the back of a spoon. We're gonna set this aside here, and we're gonna pour this hot chocolate, this lovely hot chocolate, into this cup. Be very careful about this. It's piping hot. Delicious. We're gonna put this to the side. And that is a perfect hot chocolate, but we've got to make the whipped cream. Now for the whipped cream, get a bowl, a whisk, and get your whipped cream. Don't put too much in because enough. Now we're just gonna whip that until it's like whipped cream. Alright, now we've got whipped cream, super whipped. And we just want to get a nice spoonful and just put it onto that hot chocolate. I'm gonna put extra because I love whipped cream. And from earlier, when my dad cut the chocolate, I saved some chocolate shavings. So we can put that on top of our hot chocolate and boom! This is so easy. A kid can make it. I made myself a French hot chocolate with whipped cream and chocolate shavings on top. Try this for yourself. Like and subscribe for more recipes like this.